Howdy ESSM 406. My name is Forrest Fleischman. I'm your professor this semester. Over the course of the semester, I'll be producing a number of these videos that will try to help guide you through the course. The videos will, to some extent, be like your classroom lectures, but in this class, readings are paramount. The lectures are secondary to help you understand the readings. I'm also going to deliver some of these videos with the aim of helping you negotiate the course contents. And this is the first such video. First video in the class, and the title of this video is How to Get an A in ESSM 406. I think that every student has the potential to get an A in this class. You'll need to work hard, but here's what you need to do specifically. Let me check my notes. First, read the syllabus. The syllabus is posted on the eCampus site, and you should read it carefully. And the second thing you should do is take down carefully, note when the assignments are due. There are a lot of assignments in this class. We don't have a regular class time, so the only way I can interact with you, make sure you're learning, is by giving you assignments. There's two kinds of assignments. The first kind is quizzes. There's about a dozen quizzes in this class, almost one every week. The quizzes are worth 1/5 of your grade collectively. So each one is worth very little, but you want to make sure you do all of them. Otherwise, you're losing points that you need to get in this class to get an A. The second kind of assignment are memos. Memos are worth most of the points in this class. This is a writing class. You do not want to miss any memos. If you miss one memo, it'll be difficult for you to get an A. If you miss two, you'll have basically be impossible for you to get an A if you miss two memos. So make sure you have all those due dates down. I highly recommend that you also mark down about 5 or 6 days before each memo is due that it's time to get started working on the memo. The memos take time. Quizzes are short. A lot of the quizzes will take you 10 or 15 minutes. Some require you to do the reading ahead of time, but still the actual quiz taking is 10 or 15 minutes. But memos will take hours of work. My expectation is you will be spending 10 to 15 hours a week on this class. And all that time is going to be time that you have to structure. You have to organize your day so that you can get this work done in class. So mark down on your calendars. Make sure you have a good calendar system, and mark down on your calendars when you need to start working on those writing assignments. Now, I already told you, read the syllabus carefully. The syllabus tells you how to perform in this class. But for each memo, there's going to be an assignment sheet. The assignment sheet will explain what you're expected to do in that assignment. The assignment sheet will come with examples from last year. Sometimes the assignments have changed a little bit, so don't think that you can just copy last year's assignment and get it well. They're more or less the same, but I'm always changing the reading a little bit and changing the assignments a little bit. So it may not be a perfect model, but it will get you there, get you an idea of what you need to do. But the most important thing on the assignment sheet is the grading rubric, because when me and the TAs, sit down to grade your assignments, we go through the grading rubric just like it's a checklist. So you should do that too before you hand in your assignment. Have I done all the things on this checklist that my professor gave me of what I should be doing to get an A on this assignment? If there's anything that's unclear on the assignment sheet or rubric, we have 18 hours of office hours scheduled every week. So almost all of you should be able to find a time where you can come into office hours. You can email me, you can email the TAs. We'll do our best to get back to you within about 24 hours. Again, if you start ahead of time, you should come up with those questions before 24 hours before the assignment is due. After 24 hours before the assignment is due, we'll do our best, but if there's a lot of questions, we may not be able to get to all of them in time. So just warning you that. Now, if you get a poor grade on one of the assignments, don't panic. I've had students do very poorly on the first couple of assignments in this class and recover and get A's. How do you recover? Well, you need to take advantage of the Writing Center. There's details about how to use the Writing Center on the syllabus. I highly recommend that you read those details. And the Writing Center will help you with your writing. Coming to office hours will help you both with your writing and with the content of the course. but we're more qualified to help you with the content of the course. So we have 18 hours of office hours a week. You should be able to come in. If you really can't make any of those times, or if you're a distance ed student, email me or email one of the TAs and we'll set up an appointment with you. This class takes hard work, but every student has the capability to get an A. Read the assignments carefully, don't miss your deadlines, and gig 'em.